Hi, I'm Guy Cohen, and welcome to my Private Traders Club, or as we call it, the PTC. In this short video, I'm going to take you on a tour of the Private Traders Club and show you the fantastic tools and learning applications that you now have access to, which will make you a better, more controlled and profitable trader. You will be part of an exclusive club of successful traders who aspire to get even better. So let's get started and show you the great things you get as a member. This is the home page. My blogs and articles are kept here, and this is also where you log in to the private area. Once you're logged in, you'll see the home screen and a bunch of menus with applications and education that focus exclusively on our proven methods. I want to emphasize that we're only interested in what works, and what works is our tools and our methods. With our OVI and Trade Finder scanners, we have unique trading tools that are among the best available anywhere. So of course, we focus on them because that's proven to be the quickest way to get you being successful. The Private Traders Club focuses on two areas: applications and education. The applications include our OVI charts and our trade finders. Our education includes videos, webinars, written articles, and blogs. We also have a forum where you can communicate with other very successful traders who focus on our unique OVI indicator. It's a very intuitive site and you will find your way around in no time. Let's look at each tab one at a time. On the home page, you can access the blogs here and any Twitter updates on the right-hand side. We also provide you with a left-hand menu as well. Because it's key to your success, the next tab along is the OVI and OBV charts. By now you'll probably be familiar with this, and if you're not, there are instructions right in here anyway, inside the Guidelines sub-tab, clicking here, OVI Guide. The OVI and OBV provide us with incredible insight because they measure the transactions of informed options traders, probably the most savvy and well-informed in the entire marketplace. But the great news is that we don't have to know anything about options. The need for us traders to have a more detailed information about the actual transactions has never been greater because transactions give us the vital clues as to who is buying and selling. When you combine the OBI or OBV with our chart patterns and a proper trading plan, you really do have a huge edge in the marketplace. By the way, with the OVI charts, we've conveniently separated them into stocks, liquid stocks, indices, ETFs, and even FX. And also, here's a trick. If you want to click on any of them and look at them at the same time, well, you can put anything in you like anyway, but you can right-click and then open it up in a new window, just like that. So I've got a new tab open right now, and voila, we have the OVI charts there. And with the OVI charts, I can also expand them just like this. And now I've got a big chart and I can look at my OVI indicator. And to go back into the window, all I have to do is click on the left-hand side, right at the top, and the chart goes back into the window just like that. And as you can see, I've now got two tabs open on the same login, and I can click on the first tab to go back to do whatever I want to do. So if I want to go to the home page, I can just do that. And if I want to go back to the charts, I can click on the tab, and here they are. Now, note that one of the sub-tabs here, in here, was for liquid stocks. And I've done this so that you can focus on just a few stocks and keep your trading to a manageable few minutes per day. Now, to learn more about the OVI and OBV, click on the Videos tab here and watch the appropriate videos, which will teach you all about how the indicators work and how you should utilize them. In conjunction with our preferred chart patterns, the OVI and OBV are remarkable indicators that will help you profit and keep you safe. If you want to have it simple, just focus on the OVI. Just returning back to our pages now. The tab to the right of the OVI tab is where you can see our recorded webinars. Now, this is pretty self-explanatory. Our webinars are always very well attended and best attended live, so make sure you register as soon as you receive notice from us because they do fill out fast. In the next tab along, you can view your subscriptions to our various premium courses and applications and then access them directly, the ones that you're already subscribed to. Next along is our PTC Trade Finders tab. Now let's look at each of these PTC Trade Finders. The first application is the reversal scanner. This is finding stocks that are forming dojis and volume spikes specifically. Using the reversal scanner is very easy. First, watch the reversals video in the video tab along here that explains the strategy. Here's one I prepared earlier. So here's the video section, and I just clicked on reversals, and you can click on the videos here. Second, select the parameters that you're looking for. You can look for dojis and volume spikes for the current day or the previous day, and you can look for stocks that are in the process of a reversal pattern. That's my specific end of down move or end of up move filters. When you have decided on your parameters, click on the search button, like here, and then see the stocks appear in the table together with the last day's price, volume, next earnings date, and whether the stock is in a trend or if the stock is forming a doji or a volume spike. So you can see that all there. The next application is our scanner for liquid stocks. This is if you have limited time, you'll probably only want to trade a few favorite stocks. So 20 could be a good number, and you'll find the same old favorites will keep popping up in this scan as they're consistently the most actively traded. This way you can get to know a small number of stocks and get familiar with them just as if they're your friends. The liquid stock scanner simply shows you the most liquid stocks according to volume and stock price. You'll find that the same old faces show up here time and again, and these are going to be stocks that are most liquid to trade day in, day out. You can select, say, your favorite 10 or 20 from here and really get to know how they behave and become a specialist in just those few stocks, just like many of us are with the likes of Apple, Goldman Sachs, Amazon, and the indices. My advice here is to select those stocks that have a really responsive OVI as well. The next application in the Trade Finders area is the unusual volume scan. Here we're looking for unusual volume patterns during the day. This, in combination with my preferred breakout strategies, is how some of the big trading legends have made their fortunes in the markets. They've paid astronomical amounts for this type of data, and now I'm making it available to you within the Private Traders Club. All you have to do here is watch the page as it refreshes during market hours. We're looking specifically at the S&P 500 stocks, and then analyzing those volume patterns intraday. Where a stock is behaving abnormally, we highlight it, and the figure posted gives you the percentage of abnormality. So, for example, if a stock is showing a figure of 1.52 or here 5.88, then our algorithms are detecting that its volume is that much higher, so 52%, or in this case 500 odd percent higher than we would expect it to be at this point in time, whether it's for the 5-minute bar or the 30-minute bar, the 60-minute bar, or the cumulative throughout that particular day. You then check to see if the stock is breaking out in the way that we like it on the daily chart. Now, I do go through this in our webinars from time to time. In this application, we've either got the top 20 on the first tab, so this is the top 20 abnormal behaving stocks. Then on the next tab, you've got the one for the market leaders, so abnormal volume just for the market leaders, the likes of Amazon and Apple, AIG, Bank of America, Caterpillar, etc. And then on the third tab, you can actually search for yourself any ticker within the S&P 500 as well. And if it's there, then it'll populate, and if it's not there, it won't. So if we had to look at Apple, for example, we put AAPL right in here, I click on search, and it will then tell me what's going on for what's the current day or the previous day if we're out of market hours. And it says here that Apple was going at, on the 5-minute chart, 1.52, which means it was 52% more volume than we'd have expected on that last 5-minute bar, 38% more on the 30-minute bar, 28% more on the 60-minute bar, and the cumulative factor was it traded more than 58% higher for the particular bar on the daily bar that we were looking for. So just to recap here, we've got the abnormal volume of the top 20. This is where you'll find some real abnormal volumes here. Some of them will be very liquid, some of them won't. Then we've got the market leaders as we have them. If I scroll down here, you'll see lots of the market leaders, I think 20 of them there. And then you can search for your own, provided it's in the S&P 500. So it's a really great little resource here. And if they're matching up with a daily bar breakout kind of pattern or consolidation pattern that hasn't yet broken out, then you have a real opportunity because you can see what's happening on those lower time frames. The next section along, or next tab along, is the video section where you can learn all about the OVI, flags, the OBV, open interest, chart patterns, breakouts, trade entry, all these videos and more to follow. There's so much value in this area, and some of the videos have been extracted from our premium courses like Flag Trader and Illuminati Trader. Next to the video tab is our library tab, which contains written education that you can read at your leisure, and the topics will include flags and options and various other bits and pieces. In the bonus materials section, I've given you formulae that you can copy into the charting package Telechart 2000, which you can just download by clicking on the icon, and you can get a free trial to that. Now, it's very reasonably priced anyway, and the first month comes for free. My formulas so far include a filter that mimics William O'Neill's fantastic CanSlim formula for the highest quality stocks. I also provide a light version of this, as sometimes the strict CanSlim formula won't reveal many opportunities. The best way to use these formulas is to utilize them in conjunction with my breakout patterns and the OVI. That is real power to your elbow and makes money over and over again. It's ever so easy to do. You click on here to get the Telechart 2000 package for free for the first month, and then you can click here for my scans and then just look at the instructions below to import them into your version of Telechart 2000. It couldn't be easier. It's all done for you. Also in our bonus materials section is the tab for IG Index. It's the biggest spread betting company that there is, and in this particular page you can then open your account and they'll know that you've come from us, and they'll know that you're looking for specific qualities within that account as well. So just click on here to open up your IG Index account if you're based in the UK and eligible to spread bet. And for that you can trade tax-free and all kinds of other benefits if you're in the UK. In the next tab along, you can view our latest blogs. So this is the blog page. And then next to that is the forum tab, which gives you access to discussions about the OVI and our specific methods, which you can discuss among your fellow Private Traders Club members. And finally, the last tab along is our site tab, where you can find more about me or us and support, and even edit your own profile. So here's what I suggest for you to get started right now. First, familiarize yourself with the OVI. You can click on the guide here, and you can also click on the videos and select OVI. Watch the videos, make sure you read the guide, and then you can go and look at the OVI charts, just like that. Second, definitely view the flag and the breakout videos. So you can click on flags here, watch that one, and also the breakout videos here. It's your choice if you ever want to upgrade to the full Flag Trader package, because the combination of being able to scan for the OVI and flags together is phenomenal and very powerful. Third, watch my How to Trade with the OVI in just 10 minutes a day video, which is also in the video section once you're logged in. So have fun in the Private Traders Club and apply the rules and disciplines I've laid out for you here. If you do, you will become a more successful, more profitable trader, that is for sure. If you're already a member of my Private Traders Club, click on the orange button here to learn how to trade with the OVI in just 10 minutes a day. Bye for now.